Hey everybody, welcome back. It has been a while since we've done a TRS-80 feature, but got a couple votes after hitting 50 subscribers. Thanks very much. And one of the highest voted categories was more TRS-80 stuff. So really excited to show off you guys this box. We're going to be doing an unboxing today. This is all TR-80 software and accessories and mystery items I picked up at a recycler here. They had a bunch of TRS-80 stuff, and this happened to be a box I was able to come away with. So if I can get the box here to cooperate, we'll take a look and see what we've got in here. So first thing off the bat, I see we've got a Memorex. Looks like a data cassette. Wow, check it out. For the Atari, Commodore, Radio Shack TRS-80, and others. It's a 15-minute data cassette, so pretty interesting, but neat advertising, just on the back here. So really cool piece there. That, of course, is going to stay in package. And I see we've got some stuff that looks like it's sealed, but first thing we've got is Games 2. It is open, but it's got some of the original plastic here. So I'll have to check that out. It's a pocket computer program. After that, we've got Horse Race Analyst. That sounds rather interesting. This one here is open. Let's go ahead and just see what's in here. Looks like we've got 2 copies of Horse Race Analyst. Let's just pop this one open here. Just get a look inside. Okay, it is a cassette-based game. Looks to be darn near brand new. The second copy here, somebody wrote on there, as is for 50 cents. I assume they were trying to sell it maybe at a garage sale or something like that. So that's another item there. And we've got just lots and lots of boxes in here. We've got another Memorex 15-minute data cassette. Pretty cool. This one also is complete in the package. And a third Memorex 15-minute data cassette. Looks like this was from a store called Savan. Never heard of it. I assume this is local to my area, but we do have a leather pouch for the pocket computer printer case. Pretty cool. Alright, so it looks like this might be more based towards the pocket computer. But we do have some printer paper for the pocket computer in here, and some ribbons for the pocket computer as well. And we've got more stuff here. Electrical Engineering 1. And I assume these are all cassettes. Aviation. Golf. Scoring and handicapping. We've got games. Interesting. Complete in package, sealed. Math drill with an abacus on it. It's got most of the original plastic there, but it is unsealed. Got a sealed copy of Engineering Math 2. And Engineering Math 1. Engineering Math 3. Wow, if I really need to learn some engineering math, I am ready to go. Engineering Math 4. Surveying. So a lot of these seem like educational programs rather than games, so that's kind of a bummer for me. Personal finance. I think I have some of this on floppy. Business finance. Business statistics. Sealed. Calendars. Banners, civil engineering, statistical analysis. I actually have that on floppy already. And real estate. So really just a treasure trove here. As you can see, I've piled it all there, of pocket computer and TRS-80 programs. So really great stuff. Hopefully I can get some of these programs running just to show them off. The stuff that's sealed, I am going to leave sealed. I mean, at this point, there's really no point in me unpacking, Engineering Math 4 or anything. I'm not going to be learning any engineering today or any day. But For more TRS-80 content, which I will have some coming up in the future, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button to stay up to date with me, and I hope to see you all soon.